Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2007 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, four-wheel drive, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, auto express down window, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cruise control, climate control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.